Hi, I'm David Cantor with the law offices of David Michael Cantor, and today what I'm going to be talking about is the crime of sexual abuse. Now, a lot of people confuse this with sexual assault. Sexual assault is much more serious. However, sex abuse still is a felony and can be life-altering. Now, sex abuse involves knowingly or intentionally having sexual contact, usually fondling, another person's genitals, anus, or breasts if it's a female. Now, if the person is over 15, it involves all of those. If the person is under 15, then only the female breast. If you go beyond that and there's genitals or anus, then that does become sexual assault. Basically, this is sometimes called the groping charge. The punishment, if the victim is under 15 years of age, is prison. 2.5 years is the minimum and 7.5 years is the maximum. That's going to be charged under what they call dangerous crimes against children, DCAC. Now, if it's a standard charge, meaning the alleged victim is 16 or older and it's a groping charge, then it's possible to get a punishment of probation with 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail, or prison with a cap of 2.5 years, still pretty serious. If the victim's under 18, automatically the defendant has to register for sex offender registration. Now, defenses to these charges. Here's one of the biggest defenses we see. If the alleged victim is 15, 16, or 17 years old and they consented to sexual contact and the person did not know and could not have reasonably have known they were 17 or younger, then there's a defense. When does this happen? Girl with the fake ID goes into the bar that has, or the club that has 18 to 21 allowed without a drinking ban, and 21 and over can drink. And so they're in there at a party and there's some 18 or 19-year-old, thinks he's talking to another 18-year-old, turns out she's 15, 16, or 17. There is another defense. If a 19-year-old is currently enrolled in high school and the girl he's with is within 24 months younger, she's 17 years old, and they're both in high school, then this is just a misdemeanor charge. So that is a defense to this felony. We see that a lot with the older seniors that get together with the younger looking juniors in high school. Now, some of the defenses we will use is social media. We'll go into this girl's account, the alleged victim, to see if she's claiming she's 18 or she's in college or that she used to go to high school, and she's alluding to the fact that would make you think she was 18 years old. You'd be amazed what we can find on Twitter, Facebook, the Vine videos, all of those things. In addition, we'll polygraph our own client. If he passes the polygraph, that goes a long way to dissuading the prosecutor from pressing charges. We'll do witness interviews of all the other people that were at the party or at the social club. And lastly, any forensic tests. If there's no forensic evidence, then that will help go a long way to getting the charges dismissed. If you go to our victory section on our website, you'll see that we've won numerous cases. If you or a friend have been charged with sexual abuse, go to our website, give us a call. What we'll do is we'll get you in for a free initial consultation. It won't cost anything to meet with us, and we'll go over your case from top to bottom.